Good morning to all of you. So in this video we will discuss about the base plate waxes. Okay, so what is the definition of the base plate waxes? So these are the waxes we used in dentistry for making the occlusal rim. Okay, so we are using these base plate waxes for making the occlusal rim where we have to arrange the teeth. Okay, so what are the uses of the base plate waxes? So these waxes are used for making occlusal rim where we have to arrange the teeth. Okay, for the teeth setting. So what are the compositions of the base plate waxes? So they are composed of B waxes, which is 12%, synthetic waxes 3%, carnauba waxes 2.5%, microcrystalline wax 2.5%, and kerosene or paraffin wax, which is 80%. Okay, so this is the compositions of the base plate waxes. Now we will discuss about the types of base plate waxes. Okay, so there are three types. Type 1 soft waxes, type 2 which is medium hardness waxes, and type 3 which is our harder waxes. Okay, so this is all about the base plate waxes.